What's up, everybody? It's your boy Barty, and this is a very, very, very different video than any video you guys have ever seen before. As you guys know, I used to play Fortnite, and that didn't go too well. I mean, it went well while I played it, but I started to really dislike the game, and just stopped playing it, as you can tell, because I haven't uploaded in like 4 months of Fortnite. But I've been getting into some different kind of things that I enjoy doing, and stuff like that, clearly, as you can tell, because I haven't been playing Fortnite. That's pretty much all I did. But I've really been into diesel trucks. Well, I've always been into diesel trucks my whole life, but now that I'm not inside all day playing Fortnite, I've been outside around diesel trucks because my father owns a business and we have a lot of diesel trucks. But a couple days ago, I went and picked up my own diesel truck, and it is a 2006 Mega Cab Cummins 5.9. I got it, I think, last Wednesday. I bought it from actually a really good friend of mine, at Timmy Dove. I'll put his Instagram in the description. But I got it just like this. He had it like, well, actually, when I got it, it had a pap cap on it and some stock wheels with some big old mud tires. But I like the stance look, so we put these wheels back on it. But I'll pretty much just give you guys an overview of the whole truck, and I'll do a startup, and probably I'll drive it later for you guys. But it's all white, clearly. It's all color matched. This is a new grill. I'm actually not sure where he got this grill because I know a lot of you guys are probably gonna ask where he got this from. But color matched the top white. New headlights. I'll have to ask him where he got those from too. Not sure if the bumper comes like this, but pretty sure that's color matched too. I have 22x14 XDs. They do not make these anymore. Don't know really what they're called, but it's on a 3-inch lift. And some 35, 1250, 22s, Toyo Open Country RTs. I'm gonna need some new tires. The front ones aren't too bad, but I'll show you the backs in a little bit. They're pretty bad. But we do rub a little bit in the front and in the back, so I kind of want to put like a 1-inch puck right there to lift it up just a little bit so I don't rub as much. We have paint match mirrors, paint match handles, and the back windows are 5% tint, and that is 5% tint. The whole bed's repainted. Not really sure what happened to the bed, but it's completely repainted. Need a new bed liner, clearly. It's pretty fucking terrible, actually. And in the back, you can see these tires are pretty bad. We got airbags in the rear. This truck really has no rust, too. My phone stopped recording, but yeah, pretty much no rust under here. Come around to the back. The back is the bumper's color matched. New taillights, new third brake light. Yeah. I cleaned the truck, but there's soot all over it. It's not that bad anymore, but you can still see where it's kind of at. It's a 5-inch straight pipe from turbo back, 6-inch tip. I'm gonna change the tip to an 8-inch pretty soon. But as you can see, yeah, the tires are pretty shot. And I mean, this side's really the same as the other side, so I'm just gonna show you guys the interior. Interior isn't too bad. Actually, it's not bad at all. There's a little tear in the seat, but that's not too bad. I'm gonna get a new head unit. Yeah, so it's pretty good. My rear brake lights get stuck on a lot. Like when this little, not sure if it'll do it. Yeah, when that dot comes on, it means my rear brake lights are on. They get stuck a lot. I don't know why. So I always got to check what that is. I don't really know what this switch is. I need to ask him about that. But it's got onboard control of your airbags, but I need a new compressor. So yeah. The seats are really in good condition. This one's pretty good. This is a little worn out, but I mean, what do you expect? There's a lot of charcoal on the ground because all my friends get in with their fucking feet after we're hanging around a fire. But seats are good. So much room behind the seats. These seats are reclined right now. They recline. I'm really gonna start needing some mats because I don't really want to destroy my carpets. But I'll pop the hood for you guys. Nothing really too much under the hood. There's S&B cold air intake, 5-inch straight pipe, and some tunes on it. I just replaced the power steering pump and changed the oil the other day. But yeah, there's really not much to see besides this and that. But yeah, truck's pretty mint, to be honest with you. The trans, it's a built trans, it's got billet internals in it. I would read you guys what it's done to it, but I'm recording with my phone, and what's done to it is on my phone, so it's kind of, you know, I can't really read off to you when it's on my phone and I'm holding my phone. But yeah, it's a pretty nice truck. I'll do a startup for you guys. So the truck does roll a pretty good amount. I'm not too sure if it's just because of the tune or if the guy that got it before my friend had it put injectors on it, but it does roll a pretty good amount. I'll show you guys that later too. But yeah, so I'm probably gonna start doing a lot more truck videos, clearly, and just more vlog type videos, because now that I have this, I mean, why not? Like, sorry, I'll take the key out so this should stop beeping. But yeah, so you're pretty much just gonna see that, well, not my everyday life, but I'll try my best to record a lot more than I used to. I used to upload not so frequently. But yeah, so this is my life outside of Fortnite, and you guys are gonna start experiencing a lot more shit that I do, and gonna be having a lot more fun. Watching my videos are gonna be a lot more enjoyable than just Fortnite. But yeah, this is my 2006 Mega Cab 5.9 Cummins, and hope to see you guys in the next video, uploading a lot more truck content and actual fun content, because video gaming just really wasn't my thing. Fortnite was just an exception. But it's been your boy Barty, and I'm out. Peace out. All right, it's kind of late and it's a little dark outside, but I told you guys I'd give you like a ride along, so I'm just gonna have my brother hold the phone out the window and show you guys what this thing's got, pretty much. What do you want to do to film? Tailpipe? Alright, just stop.